Now let's get into intermediate stage. So in the previous session we covered all the basic commands which is mandatory for any Kubernetes administrator or developer or DevOps engineer. So we are bringing that into next level. In this model we'll see how the resource management will take place. The first command here is kube-c-tl apply. Creating a pod is contains two ways. One is imperative way, another one is declarative way. The imperative way is very fast and easy to create, whereas the declarative way is we have to write a file and then from file we have to apply. We see both the scenarios here. So the prerequisites to apply kube-c-tl, we have to perform this command before. Let's get into the terminal. So this is the command kube-c-tl run and some name of pod -image, any of the Docker image, and then -restart equal to never. To explain this in detail, kube-c-tl run is used for creating a pod or deployment, and the example pod is what is the name of your pod, and -image contains your container image, and in the last -restart equal to never. This is a critical crucial flag that tells Kubernetes to create a pod directly, which means without creating a deployment, you create a pod directly. Let's run this. We got some error. Let's check that. It seems our Minikube server is not running. See, this is how it helps. The kube-c-tl version telling us there is no server availability. So let me start the Minikube. So it started. Now let's run the same command again. And remember here, if you're not giving any namespace specifically, then it will create in the default namespace. So it's got created. Kube-c-tl get pods. You can see our example pod is running. We're still creating container creating stage. It's taking time. We'll see. Yeah, now it's running mode. So this is the imperative way. So there is no file needed. Directly it will create a pod for you. And let's see the other one, which is declarative way. Before that, I want to clear this one. I want to delete this pod. So in the previous session, we haven't used the delete pod command, right? So that we will try it. So this one will try it. The kube-c-tl delete pod and the pod name. So here kube-c-tl delete pod. What is the pod name here? Example -pod. So pod got deleted. Let's run the kube-c-tl get pods command again to verify. So there is no pods available.